It is July 24th, 2024, about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperature is about 86 degrees. There's a very light breeze out of the south, not much of one at all. A few clouds in the sky. We had some 100-degree weather a couple weeks ago, but we've had a little break in the weather for the last couple of weeks. I am here at a new project we're about to start. We're still at day 0 because we haven't officially obtained the building permit or broken ground yet. However, we have some progress. By the way, the address of this is 105 Buckboard Trail in Oak Point, Texas. And we have the T-pole has been set. As you can see, the electrician has brought that out. It'll be connected to the transformer from this pole here from the power company. And then we have the water meter. And the reason it looks like there's been some fresh dirt here is because the water company had to come out, dig in the ground right here, tap the water main, and run over to this box where there is a water meter. So they have now installed the water service. Again, there's our address locator. We told them where we wanted the water box to be. The driveway for this home will be not quite as far over. We've put a culvert in and a temporary drive so we can get construction workers in and out. Driveway will actually be just this side of that, but we put that in so that we could get on and off the lot without tracking dirt onto the street. And in about 2 weeks, maybe 3, we will have a building permit for this and get started on it. We're going to build about a 2,000 square foot spec home here, a home that will be for sale. And so we'll keep this documented as we go through it so that we can keep you informed of our progress. More updates coming.